Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh Shivra. I am in semester 2 and pursuing BBA from MERI College of IPO University located in Janakpuri. In this video, I will explaining the basic concept of the following topic. So let's start this video. The concept of a national income. National income means the value of a goods and services produced by a country during a financial year. Thus, it is a net result of an economic activity of a country during a period of a 1 year, and it is valued in the term of a money. National income is a certain term and often used interchangeably with the national dividend, national output, and expenditure. The progress of a country can be determined by the growth of the national income of the country. The basic concept of a national income is gross domestic product, GNP, national gross national product, NNP, net national product, NDP, net domestic product, personal income, transfer payment, and a disposable personal income. The first is the national income concept is GDP and GNP. GDP GDP measures the aggregate money value of output produced by an economic over a year. In another word, GDP is obtained by valuing all financial goods and services produced domestically in a year and a market price. GDP is also calculated by adding all the income generated by act of the production. And on the other hand, there is a GNP. GNP includes a GDP plus net property income from abroad. Thus, GNP includes the income that a national earns abroad, but it does not include the income earned by a foreign national. On the other hand, GDP is concerned with the income generated domestically even by foreigners, and GDP ignores the income received from the above. The next concept is a national income concept, which is NNP, net national product. NNP is the monetary value of a finished goods services produced by a country's citizen overseas and domestically in a given period. It is the equivalent of a gross national product, GNP, the total value of a national annual output minus the amount of a GNP required to purchase a new good to maintain the existing stock. The formula to calculate a NNP is equal to MVFG plus MVFS minus depreciation. Most of you know about the depreciation. Just I tell you, MVFG is the market value for finished good. On another hand, MVFS is the market value for finished service. The next concept is NDP, net domestic product. And NDP is the annual measure of the economic output of a nation that is adjusted to account the depreciation. It is calculated by separating the depreciation from the gross domestic product. NDP accounts for a capital that has been consumed over the year in the form of a housing, vehicle, and machinery. Another disposable income and personal income. Disposable income is also known as a disposable personal income is the amount of money that household have available to spend and saving income taxes and have been accounted for. On another hand, personal income is refers to an individual total earning from a wages, investment, enterprises, and another ventures. Circular flow of income. The circular flow of income is a way of representing the flow of income between two main groups in society: products, the consumers. These flow for part of the fundamental process to satisfying the human wants. Finally, they are the national income of a country can only be measured by three alternative methods. First is product aspect, which is also known as a value added method, and another is income method, and the third one is expenditure method. The flowcharts contain the specific formula to calculate the value added method, income method, and expenditure method. You may take a screenshot for it. The first we discuss is product method. This method, the national income is measured as a flow of goods, services. We calculated money value of a final goods service produced in all economic during a financial year, and finally goods are referred to those goods which are directly consumed and not be used in further. The money value is calculated at the market price of the sum of total income, and a GDP is a market price, and a GDP market price can be converted into a method discussed earlier. There are a few steps to calculate the national income method by a producer method, which is firstly we identify the production units, then we estimated the money value of a total production. Third, we use the IC in every unit. Next, we deduct the NIT from a NVEFC, and finally we get the NI, which is known as national income. While calculating the national income through production method, they will taking the few precautions which I have been mentioned. The second is income method. Under this method, national income is measured as a flow factor of a income. There are generally four factors of a production: labor, capital, land, and entrepreneurship. Labor gets wages, salaries, capital gets interest, and land gets rent. Enterprise gets profit as the remuneration. There are a few steps taking place to calculate the national income. First factor is income, which is we have to identify the CEOS and MISC, and the second step is to plus the CEOS MISC, which will help us to get the NVEFC, which we use to identify the NI. There are a few precautions which measure taking place. The transfer income are not being included in the tax and the transactions. The last is expenditure method. The expenditure method is a system for calculating the gross domestic product that combines the consumption, investment, and government spending net exports. It is the most common way to estimating a GDP. Expenditure is refers to spending in economics. Another word term consumer spending is demand. There are a few steps taking place to find the expenditure method. The most important thing are the precautions. Precautions while identify the NI. In the end, I would like to thank Dr. Panamjot sir to help me in making this PPT and taught as well. Thank you, sir.